everybody. So today we're going to be talking about the receivables turnover ratio. This is the ratio that we have been taught about in this lesson. And what exactly is a receivables turnover ratio? In the lesson it says it measures the number of times on average that receivables are collected during a period. It can be turned into the average collection period in terms of days. And so that's exactly what this problem is asking us to do. So it says, suppose the 2017 financial statement of 3M Company report net sales of $24.2 billion. Accounts receivable are $2.9 billion at the beginning of the year and $3.27 billion at the end of the year. So I have the receivables turnover ratio written right here, and that is net credit sales divided by the average net receivables. Now the average is very important in this ratio. I actually tried to do this problem first by just dividing it by the amount at the end of the year, and that's not going to work. You have to do the average of the accounts receivable. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do exactly that. We're going to add the 2.9 billion at the beginning of the year plus the 3.27 billion at the end of the year. Then we're going to average it out. And so for everyone who remembers second grade math, we're going to do 6.17 divided by 2. And that's 3.085. Well, now what do? We are going to take that number and we are going to look back up here at our 24.2 billion of net sales. Because remember, we're going to divide this by this, okay? So net credit sales of 24.2 billion divided by 3.085 equals, oh, I have to do equals before I always forget that. It's going to equal 7.844408, but it says to round to one decimal place, so we are actually going to 7.8, okay? Now there's a second part in this problem. We need to turn this into the average collection period in days. So this is really, really simple. All you have to do is think about how many days there are in a year. There are 365. So in order to figure out the average collection period in terms of days, we're just going to do 365 divided by this number that we got up here, the turnover ratio of 7.8. And that is going to give us 46.79487. Now again, the answer says to round to one decimal place, so that would end up being 46.8. Thank you very much. I hope that helped y'all out.